In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install and open YouTube on your Android TV. Okay, for the first, what we can do is here we can look for an YouTube button on your remote. So I have this here, the YouTube button, but if you don't have this, then you can go here on the home button. So, and here we can look for like favorite apps or something, and here we have also YouTube. And if you don't have this here, then go all the way up to this bar here, go to the right on apps, and then scroll down until you get to the Google Play Store. So click on this, and here in the Google Play Store we can go and look for YouTube. So go up here to the search bar here, click on this, then go down, go to the right, and then go on OK, and then you type in YouTube. So like yeah, YouTube, go for this, K-O-U, and then yeah, YouTube should be here, and here we have like and here we have like YouTube. So and then click on update or install, and then after you've updated this, you can easily go on YouTube and can open this. And yeah, this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.